Alkalis commonly used ammonium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, potassium carbonate, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Physical appearance white or colorless powders. Signs and symptoms are corrosion of the tissues or mucosa, dyspepsia, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal hematemesis, and tenesmus. Fetal period is 12 to 24 and fetal dose is 10 to 15 ml. Then next is treatment. Endotracheal tubing, oxygenation, demulcents, irrigation, supportive and symptomatic treatment. Postmortem appearance is brownish or grayish staining of the skin tissues. Inflammation of the tissue, congestion of the respiratory tract. Medical legal aspects are accidental suicidal poisoning and occupational hazard. Then next, metallic poisons. Mercury, Sanskrit name Parada, English name mercury, Latin name hydrargyrum. It is having the symbol of Hg, atomic number 80, atomic weight 200.6, specific gravity 13.6, boiling point 357 degrees Celsius, and freezing point minus 39 degrees Celsius. Then next is synonyms are quicksilver, rasa, rasendra, suta, parada, mishraka, raseshwara, chapala, rasaraja, khechara, divarasa, mukunda, शिवबीज रुद्र रुद्रतेज जत्रा महारस सुवर्ण महातेज चल सूक्ष्म अमृत and rasayana. It is one of the Shrestha rasayana. Then category Sthavar Visha, that is metallic poison. Physical appearance liquid metal in room temperature, silver shining, heavy, unstable. Signs and symptoms are acute poisoning. First stage acrid metallic taste in mouth, sense of choking, dyspnoea, swelling and grayish white coating of the mouth, burning sensation in gastric intestinal tract. Then second phase, glossitis, ulcerative gingivitis, loosening of the teeth, necrosis of jaw and renal tubules. Then next, chronic poisoning, continuous metallic taste in the mouth, same as second phase, acute poisoning, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea and colic pain, as well as anoxia, anemia, weight loss and lymphocytis. Mercury tremors, erythism, papular eruptions and mercuria lentitis. Then fetal dose mercury chloride 85 to 250 mg, mercuric cyanide 650 to 1300 mg, mercuric nitrate 1 to 2 gram, mercurous chloride 400 to 600 mg. Fetal period is 3 to 5 days. Then next, treatment. Gastric cleavage, protein-rich substance, that is egg, albumin, milk, etc. to protect the gastric mucosa, activated charcoal, hemodialysis, BAL or bimercaprol. Symptomatic treatment, Gandhaka rasayana, Parpadadya arishta, Sarivadya asava. Then postmortem appearance is tongue is white and swollen, mouth white, inflammation, corrosion, congestion of the GIT mucosa, intense inflammation and ulceration of the large intestine, liver necrosis and congestion. It is having the splenic congestion, fatty degeneration and hemorrhage in heart, emaciated body. Then next, medical legal aspects are accidental homicidal poisoning and abortification. Then next, teen, Sanskrit name Vanga, English name teen, Latin name stannum, symbol Sn, atomic number 50, atomic weight 118.7, specific gravity 7.3, metallic point 232 degrees Celsius and boiling point 270.2 degrees Celsius. Then next synonyms are Vangaka, Kranga, Rangaka, Shukraloha, Krupya, Trapu. Then category Sthavar Visha, that is metallic poison. Physical appearance silver white shining, capable of being shaped or bent into the extremely thin sheets. Signs and symptoms are wyverness, switra, gulma, prameha, hritroga, shula, arsharoga, kasa, shvasa, chardi, kshaya, panduroga and shurash. Fetal dose and fetal period is uncertain. Treatment is stomach wash, emetics, stimulants, Meshashungi with Sitabala for 3 days. Then postmortem appearance is signs of gastroenteritis. Medical legal aspects are accidental poisoning. Zinc, Sanskrit name Yashada, English name zinc, Latin name zincum, symbol Zn, atomic number 30, atomic weight 65.4, specific gravity 7.1, metallic point 429 degrees Celsius and boiling point 980 degrees Celsius. Then next synonyms are Jasada, Ritihetu, Karapracha, Rangakshanakasa. Then category Sthavar Visha, It is a metallic poison. Physical appearance steel grey colored garlic like color. Then signs and symptoms are gulma, prameha, kshaya, kushta, shula, chardi, atisara, jwara and shwasa. Fetal dose is 5 gram and fetal period is 24 hours. Then next treatment, stomach wash, purgative. Symptomatic treatment, bala and haritiki with a shitopala for the 3 days. Postmortem appearance is garlic with the odor from the gastric contents, cherry red colored blood, congestion and the oedema of the lungs. Then medical legal aspects are accidental, suicidal and abortifacient. There are many videos related with the Agada Tantra subject. Rog Nidana, Kaumari Bhrutya, Vaishajya Kalpana, Rog Nidana, Dravya Guna subject is available in our channel. You will get that links in the description box, as well as you can watch that videos from the playlists.